Hey everybody, Vincent St. Louis here. Just wanted to give you guys a little testimony. Yesterday, you see this big motorhome behind me, 40-footer. I scrubbed the whole roof twice. And then of course, when you clean a roof, you gotta clean the coach as well because all the stuff that comes down. And so I had to clean the sides as well the same day. And then I had to go up on the top and mop on sealer. But my point is that, man, the next day, I was sore, my body was sore, my knees were sore, just everything. And so what I did was I put on this stem cell activation X39 patch. I wear it on my back or on my back of my neck or right at the last vertebrae. And by the end of the day, I had no pain. I felt great. And so, man, it's just amazing the stories. I've been wearing this patch now for over a year. Nothing absorbs into the skin from this patch. There's nothing in it. It's just basically like a Band-Aid. You peel it off, you stick it on, you wear it for 12 hours. Look at this thing, man, it looks beautiful now. The roof, I scrubbed it on my hands and knees twice, and then I had to clean the outside. Man, the next day I was just exhausted, sore every part of my body. Within 12 hours, man, I was just great. So I'd love to hear your story of what this product is going to do for you. Reach down and click on the link or contact me. I'd love to share with you more about how this works without absorbing any chemicals, nutrition, or anything. It's just using your own body to heal itself. God bless you.